Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for Mercy Tiara kits, and I am using these gorgeous new kits. They are called Fabulous. I have got the main kit. I've got the paper add-on, which is a full nother set of all of these gorgeous pattern papers. Look at the time of day, it's late in the day. I've got that. I've got embellishment kit, the cardstock kit, as well as the pocket cards. So all kinds of treasures. But I have got to show you this. One of the goodies we have, this might be from the embellishment kit. I don't know. I do have an unboxing on my channel. This right here, these are the puffy stickers from Beavalent, the sketchbook. And there's these bunny rabbits on here, and it reminded me of this friend that I met, this sweet bunny. I met this bunny at a county fair in the petting zoo, and such a sweet, big, giant rabbit. So reminded me of that. I'm like, let's go for it. So I went ahead and I did map the photo with some of the smooth white basil cardstock that came in the cardstock kit. Great. We're getting somewhere. So then I started holding it up to our different exquisite gorgeousness that we have here, all of these gorgeous papers, and I was thinking that I love this piece right here. It is called The Good Life, and I'm going to see if this paper will let me do. This light is bugging me. Let's see. Does it work like that? Not bad. I was thinking, not great, not bad, of, there we go, seeing if there's any color matching that I can do. So I'm going to try that. I also think I'd like to go ahead and see if I want to use anything to back the photo. I could use this, which is gorgeous, and that might let us bring in some of that deeper blue. For what I meant was, like, do I want to matte this, or do I want to totally just go, no, I don't know. I don't know. Now, I do love anything that ends up in these aqua shades. That might be a fun option. Just because I think I want to do a little something with it. I also think I want to scuff up the sides. So let's find our trimmer, the trimmer. I'm just going to take it to like 11 1/4 by 11 1/4. I think that would work. Okay, let's see how that goes. And it doesn't seem to matter which side, so okay. 11 1/4, but what I probably will do is do a 1/2 inch off of each of these sides though. I don't think, well, that would be 1 1/2. I'm gonna just take a smidge, like a tiny bit here and a tiny bit there, so I get up to that 3/4 of an inch, and we'll see how it goes. I don't want to take much of the bluey colors off just because I love them so much. I'm a little bit partial. So I think I'm going to faff about, yeah, I will, and go back and forth to find a way to take the least amount of my aquas. Okay, so now we're at 11 1/4 by 11 1/4, or we will be in a moment. I am going to give my edges a nice scuff, and then I want to go through all of our goodies and see what I might be able to come up with. Ooh, that's gonna be pretty. I'm gonna gut this so that I have something to map my photo with as well, guys. Just so you know what my thought process is. All right, just enough that we don't have an issue with that. Let's gut the inside here. And I don't need much, so I can leave this background fairly strong. I'm just gonna take some of the inside goodies. Now, I should also take a look at my pocket cards. There's so many things I have to look at. So what I'll be doing, and I won't make you sit through that whole thing, is I'm going to start bit by bit. There we go. And I'm going to map my photo with this. I'm going to go look bit by bit and see what goodies I can do for some color matching. So this will go here. Sky goes on top. Don't know why these things matter, but you know, the brain does what it does. We'll mat it with that. Gorgeous. And since I'm thinking of color matching, I'll have this up towards the top. Perfect. Do I want to go down the center? Yeah, that would be fun to go down the center. Okay, we have that. Now, if I did color matching, I could do B, U, N, N, Y. Oh, I could spell bunny and have that go onto the pink. So we could have bunny. What do we have from here? Plant seeds, the good life. I can do perfect bunny. That might be fun because that isn't a color. Okay, I am going to stop yammering and I'm going to find all kinds of things for color matching and I'll meet you right back here. So I have a little bit of traction, right? I went ahead and fussy cut this piece out, a couple of butterflies. This piece is from one of our pocket cards. This is from another pocket card. Oh, and these are some florals that I just fussy cut out, and we're just going to hide some of the bits that aren't color matching, you know, the way we've decided it's supposed to go. So what I might do, oh, and I did map my photo and I popped it up. What I might do is just get these pieces attached down, but I'm not going to stick them down really hard. I just want to start getting a foundation and then I can add things. Now, I don't have a ton that's going to color match, but we can go up and down in the center. I can put in some of our so cute confetti mix, all that kind of thing. I think it's going to be fun. And I always love to give myself a tiny bit of a challenge. Okay, my friends, that was so fun. I just grabbed a couple little pretty confetti pieces and added them to my layout. I thought this was such a fun project. So incredibly fun. I am losing light, so I wanted to show you how sweet it is. Oh my gosh, the color matching was so much fun today. So I'm going to get a few still shots to follow. I will have links down below where you guys can get your hands on these kits. Now they sell out. That's why I say you guys subscribe so you know you'll get one. And, oh, and there is a sketch challenge. I'm going to move this to the side so it can dry. There is a sketch challenge every month. You can find that in the... You can find the sketch challenge in the Facebook group. You can win a $25 Canadian gift certificate to the Mercy Tiara Kit store. And is there anything else? No, guys. So that's what I have for you guys today. I will see you ever so soon with another video, a few still shots to follow. And guys, stay warm. Bye, friends.